Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So this car is currently a pretty cold place to be right now, and the reason is, yes, unfortunately the heater has decided to pack up. Again, I can only get cold air out of the car despite the settings, so I think it has unfortunately failed again. Now if you follow the channel, you will know that the Tacan heater failure is something that all Gen 1 Taycans must go through. At least it certainly seems that way for sure. Pretty much everyone I know has had the issue, and also they were doing a proactive campaign to replace the faulty module. So I had a new module installed, and I was led to believe that it was a revised module that should fix the problem for good. But unfortunately, we're in the same boat. Again, I can't say for sure what the exact issue is, but I'm sure we will be told when the car has to go back. Now, obviously, this car is a little bit different from your average combustion car. A combustion car creates its own heat through engine warmth. Unavoidable, right? You've always got that heat there. You just need to tap it off, and you've got hot water circulating for your hot ventilation. Unfortunately, in an EV, you have to create your own heat, and that is done through a water heater. So it could be that's packed up. But unfortunately, yes, in the middle of the coldest part of the seasons in the UK, we are in a situation with no heating, which is going to mist up and fog up. So you can't really use the car, unfortunately. So a far from ideal situation here. And there is another issue as well. I spoke about it recently. There was the update, i.e. the cancellation of the active lane keep that was failing, and it's completely kaput now. And every time we start the car, we get this update failed. I had emailed them. I was hoping they would be able to cancel the cancellation online so that we didn't have to go back to a Porsche centre, a service centre, to have them look at it. I hadn't heard back from them at all, unfortunately, so I'm not going to bother chasing them, because unfortunately now the car is going to have to go back anyway. And yes, we are in a situation where they'll be looking at the car for the heater, and they can also take a look at that failed update problem that we're seeing as well. So yeah, we've not that long had the car back from the battery module work, so unfortunately it's going to have to go back again, and I've got no idea how long this is going to take. I only found out about it a couple of days ago. Just hang on, the car isn't getting warm as I was driving down the road, when normally it would have started to be getting warmer. And then yeah, I think, you know, no doubt, you don't even try any troubleshooting. You don't even try and figure out what's wrong, because it's a Tacan. You just assume, yeah, it's probably broken, unfortunately, and the heater has decided to die. So yeah, certainly not without its issues. And for me, yeah, most of these issues that the car's had have really been squeezed into this last year of ownership. It's been pretty good for the first 2 years, pretty solid up until now, when it's just decided, I think that, to be honest, it's had enough of being a Tacan, and would rather just be an ornament or a set of batteries to charge your phone with for a very long time indeed. But yeah, not an ideal situation at all. I wanted to update you. As I said, you know, I've got to keep this channel real. This isn't a whinge, this isn't a moan. It's just keeping you updated in terms of my ownership experience with this car, in the hope that it might help you. If you're going through a similar experience, you know what to expect, how Porsche are going to fix the issue, and indeed if you're entitled to any compensation further down the line, or payback, however, if you're on a PCP or something like that. But yeah, I mean, it's just an unfortunate part of the ownership experience of this car. As I say, wonderful car. Really do enjoy the drive of this car, but right now, unfortunately, it is certainly choosing that it would rather do other things than be a car. And for me, that certainly is a bit of a pain in the bum right now, so to speak. So yeah, as I say, letting itself down at the moment, but I will keep you posted, keep you updated as we go through this process. As soon as the car's booked in, as soon as Porsche have contacted me to let me know what indeed needs to happen. But I understand getting access to the heater and the modules that are required is a bit of a pain for the service centre as well, because I think they have to rip the dash out, and access isn't very easy. So yeah, probably a job they'd rather not be doing as well. So quick video for this week. because the car will be going back, so I have to find some other things to talk about in the interim. But appreciate your support to date. If you do want to follow, please do like, please do sub. I'll keep you updated. And if you haven't subbed already, please do. It's always hard getting people to sub to channels these days because, I appreciate there's a lot of competition and your sub is indeed very valuable. So if you can, one click, very much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Do stay safe. Keep you updated. See you on the next one. Bye for now.